Hi, welcome to FX Cabinets Warehouse. We're going to assemble a Peach Espresso Base 18. So now I'm going to work with my back panel. I'm going to install first my slide holders. They are inside of my slides. And the reason why I want to do that is because it will be easier for me to install it right now instead of when I have the box already assembled. I use my screws provided by the factory with a flat head. And the reason why they are flat head is you can move the slide to align it in the front. You can move it sideways. I've removed my back panel. I don't need it right now at this present moment. So I'm going to start working with my frame, my door that is already attached, and I will put it facing down in a surface that won't damage the finish. Just make sure it's smooth. And I'm going to start installing my right panel and my left panel. Unscrew the female part. Don't tighten put the secure bolt yet. Now I'm ready to install the other panel, the right side panel. And again, you can use a rubber mallet just to tap it a little bit. It will go inside. Okay. Now I'm ready to install the screw that will secure the male and female part. Now it's time to install my bottom base panel. And the reason I know is my bottom base panel is because it's unfinished in one side and finished in the other side. So I put the unfinished towards the bottom of the cabinet and the finished part to the inside of the cabinet. The back panel has females and the males are already installed. I want to make sure my brackets in the front or on the top of the cabinet are in place. I will continue securing my back panel to the side of the cabinet. Now I'm ready to assemble my drawer. My drawer front was separated completely from the base cabinet, and now I have a right and left also for our little drawer, to assemble the little drawer. We use the long screws provided for the factory. They are already pre-drilled, the screws, so everything goes very smooth. This is the back of the drawer box. It's already pre-drilled also, and it's attached by 2 screws. Now we're ready to finish the box. Another 2 screws in the front and 2 screws in the back. And now we have one more part to install on the drawer box. The factory is providing for you a right and left slide holder. After I install my slide holders on the bottom of the drawer, I just want to show you what's going to happen on the bottom of the drawer, you have on the back of the panel on the drawer, you have a tiny hole. That hole is going to be inside of the slide holder. So now we just open our slide holder, and this will secure completely our slide holder. We'll lock it in place. So that's what's going to happen after I install on the frame the slide holders. I install my slide holder to the back of the slide holder to the side of the frame. And now I can install my drawer box. I can pull my slides all the way out. What I do is I set my drawer box on 2 pre-cuts on the back of the drawer, and I simply just on the tiny holes that I mentioned you before, I just push them all the way out. The last 2 steps we have to do is our toe kick and our plastic holders to secure the cabinet to make it stronger. I'm turning my cabinet just to install my toe kick. Female and male part already set by the factory. And now I can secure. Now I'm going to install my angle brackets. There are 4 brackets that goes in each corner of the cabinet. I'm going to install finally my self-closing. I put the plastic clips on the side of the cabinet. They are already pre-drilled. Then again, you have a finished part on the shelf and an unfinished part. Now you have a complete product of a base cabinet from FX Cabinets.